Mara update here on the 18th. So huge move up here. My projection was down here to 10 to 12 bucks. Let's start from the very bottom of 2020. We made an impulse move up. We have a corrective move down. I have that labeled as wave A. And then we get this move up here. This is a corrective move as well. This is ABC. How do I know that? The 1.61 fib hits right there. And then we come back into this move right here. Also, parallel line. We don't hit outside of it. It's a W wave. And then we get an ABC move down. It's a shorter in time length than this, so WX. And then this takes about 10 months. And so I'm looking for about half of that for the move up, and look where this ends at. February, end of February. 5 months from end of February. That makes this the Y wave. And potentially an A wave. It could be the final move down too. Is that the final move down? Or final move retracement, I mean. We retraced close to the 0.78 fib. So now we got to check and see if this move down is going to be it. But we get a corrective move down. So that's a very important piece of information there. So we get a move down, we get a retracement. Let's draw a parallel line here. Never mind the dogs in the background barking. Then we get this move right here. Draw a parallel line from here to here. And where are we at now? So these are all corrective moves. We have ABC, A, ABC, B. And then this is kind of a weird one, but I think this is what it is. A, B, C, very short C wave down here. And then this move right here over the last couple of months is also an ABC move. It's a weird one though. Again, we have the A wave here. Hey. We have the A wave right here. ABC down, that's the B wave. And then we can draw a parallel line here. We aren't quite there yet. So you can see this could go on. I didn't do that right. This can go on. I need to zoom out here. I don't know why it keeps on doing that. I'll have to just use this. So, we are looking to hit the top of that parallel line. But you can see here, the other parallel line from up here connects right here at 22 bucks around November 18th. So there's a very good chance that we are only in some kind of third wave. And it goes like this and then comes up like this. The only thing I don't like about that is it's going to extend. Let's see where the 1.61 fib is of this right here. Ooh, right to it. So maybe this is actually supposed to be A right here, B right here, and we're looking for a 5-wave move up here to that. Now look where we're at. We have A down, B, C, D up here. That hits November. This was at April 16th. September 6th gives us 4.5 months. 4.5 months from that is around mid-January, which takes us down to the target I've been talking about for a long time. 12 bucks monthly demand. And that means that this whole move lasted about a year. This one was a little bit over a year. So I would say this whole thing, if this plays out correctly, is actually going to end up being W, X, and then we can draw a parallel line through here and get our target. Our target is going to be let's see, is that mid-January? Target, $137. So that seems kind of crazy. There's another way to look at this too, in case I'm wrong. This could also be a 333, which means it's like this. Maybe that makes more sense. In that case, I would just draw a... So that's one way of looking at it, and then another way of looking at it is... Like this part right here seems very valid, but another way of looking at this, I can draw a parallel line from top here to the top there, and then also like this. But honestly, this would probably make more sense. We hit 1972, 34, so you're looking at 49. So it could just be $49 as well. So it could just end up being like this. Like that. And if that happens, maybe it goes up here to like 60 bucks. Because now at this point we'd be in March. It could just hit the midpoint though, around 49 bucks. And then at that point, this is a B wave. This is an A wave. And then you're looking at like this. Probably some kind of market crash. Down to there. Because again, we're retracing this whole move right here still. And the 0.78 fib is at $1. So that seems kind of crazy, but if Bitcoin were to crash down to like, who knows, 10, 20, 30,000, this isn't going to be in the single digits for sure. Monthly demand is between 179 and 301. So I do think that this is probably going to go to 21 bucks, down to 12, and then have one more ramp up. And then that's where it's going to stall out. And then we're going to see a crash after that. So not a bad stock to be in, but honestly, right here, if you're scalping it to 21 bucks and just in it for the short term, right here, then I think it makes a lot of sense because this stock can really move when it wants to. But you're going to want to be out at this area because we're going to come down here to 12 bucks in the next 3 months or so. And then that's where you really want to buy to quadruple your money. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like the technical analysis, subscribe. You can join the channel. It's like $3 a month to support the channel. I make members only videos. This one's going to be public, but I'm going to try to do more in-depth technical analysis. And then, of course, I can do requests as well. And then the advanced membership is like personal charts, personal videos. You can contact me through email if you have questions about a stock, whatever you want to do. That one's $30 a month. Either way, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.